As a meat substitute, jackfruit is in a league of its own, especially if you're someone who's a bit wary of the side effects of too much soy. If you're also someone who wants to go vegan but can't imagine a world without shrimp, crab, sushi, tuna, etc., then you really need to watch this video. To make the jackfruit stick together so that you can form into patties, you need to add an egg substitute. I use 6 flax eggs for this recipe. All you have to do is mix the flax meal and water together and then set it aside so that it can thicken. After about 10 minutes, the consistency becomes gelatinous, much like that of a raw egg. I couldn't find Old Bay seasoning that didn't have questionable ingredients, so I made my own, and the recipe can be found on my blog, which is linked below. The next step is to combine the seasoning, breadcrumbs, flax eggs, and jackfruit together. I also added chopped white onions for a bit of texture, but I think you could also get away with adding celery. Then you roll and flatten the jackfruit in your hands and form into patties. Lay them on a baking sheet and then refrigerate them for at least an hour. After you take them out of the fridge, bake them at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. While the crab cakes are baking, you can make your tartar sauce. Here's what they look like coming out of the oven. You can stop here if you'd like, but frying the cakes after baking really takes the texture to the next level. You only need a tiny amount of oil, just enough to cover the face of the pan. Fry on each side for about 4 minutes or until brown. That was it. You can check out the full details on my blog, http://veganwith2v's.com, and let me know if you try any of these recipes in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.